can see request yesterday. So today what I did was, this is the reply for that ADS reply. I went to tools, apply update, this open. And updated this. So this I can check the VCS, click on VCS. You can see in basket there is no chart left. In ordered there is no chart. Cross check, I have a list of charts which I have ordered, but one thing is there. For example, this GB40302. Go to catalog or go to maintain holding. Here I have to select AVCS, search. You can see the product expiry. As you can see, after installing the permits received for my next voyage, this chart also I received, and you can see from the product expiry that it is expiring after 3 months. I received this in August, and this is expiring in November. So obviously I have this permit for next 3 months, but still in the update status it is showing not installed. So when you receive such message that the particular chart, the permit is there, but in the update status it shows not installed, for those in those time you have to install the base DVD, and then it will start showing that the chart is installed. So you have to apply the base DVD and also the latest week correction, only the latest week correction, no need to apply the in between correction. Like if you have a base DVD of week 6, so and like if you are at week 6 and you have a base DVD of week 1, so you only need to apply the base DVD of week 1 which you have on board and the latest week correction. So if you have week correction of week 6, so only that base DVD 1 plus weekly correction of week 6, no need to apply week 2, 3, 4, 5 weekly correction. As you know that our weekly updates are cumulative in nature, so week 6 will have week 2, 3, 4, 5, all the updates included in the week 6 file. So only the base DVD and the latest week correction, then your e-navigator will be fully updated. We have to apply base CD. Base CD, how we apply? Go to synchronize only, update here like this. Next, look at Exomedia. Next, select the CD drive, click OK, select charts, just click OK. The base CD will run.